Morning fellas, Ben back again. Headed out on a weekend ride. The usual sorts. Nothing crazy, but yep, checking out new places and feeling the air. That's all there is to it. Whoops. There we go. So I had already started the bike and warmed it up. So you don't see me warming up. So this is Kumari. Lovely, lovely scenic location. And you should come here during the winters. This place just transforms. Okay, here we go. Adventure begins. Reserve forest fence. Follow it to end to end. Mother road in here. Follow it though. Adicekirava. no idea. Okay, so there's Mohan with his new rubber. We have V rubber on the rear. Again, a wet pattern. Arun, this is the tire that we could have gotten for you. Very aggressive wet pattern. A lovely tire. Pretty cheap. How much did you buy this for, Mohan? 3,800 in Indian rupees. And that's, I mean, I would say the best that money can buy. And I've had very good reviews come my way. Many fellows who have used this, they only have nothing but words of praise for how good it is on both on and off road. Lovely tread, very aggressive wet tread, wet pattern. And so that would technically truly be a 50-50 tire now. And this thing is Ralco motocross that I've used, and many have started using now. It's because you don't lose your front end with tires like these. And yep, so that's what Mohan is running. He's running a bunch of aux lights, which is just not cut out for this kind of stuff. And the nice cool engine guard, bash plate, but then it's touching his exhaust. Yep, 1 millimeter now. And what else? Stock exhaust with a Powtronic piggyback ECU. And the toolbox. An interesting contraption from the vintage era. So a metal box on a carrier plate, a rack, and that's the whole of it. A tank pad to add grip, and a magnetic tank bag. Well, that's the whole of it. The Royal Enfield handguards I'm not a big fan of, is because these are open handguards and they kind of have a habit of hooking everything on real bushy terrain, so things get caught in between, and then you're trying to pull the creepers and the thorns and everything along with your motorcycle. So that's a big design flaw. This is good for wind cutting, this is good for cold rides, but this is definitely not an off-road handguard. Definitely not. So, and that's the whole of it. Mohan's motorcycle and the project bike, Arun's bike. Arun's bike is getting better and better by the day. There's more additions, this time a saddle stay. Fuel X, yep, he's running on Fuel X. How does the Fuel X feel? I wanted a review, but this is not the right terrain to be testing Fuel X out. It's only going to make a big difference on, you're going to be feeling the big difference on, clean, straight roads where there's absolutely no drama going on, which is a little too engaging at times. So yeah, we'll wait on a proper test ride and review of sorts, and then make a video on that. But I've already made the installation part of the video. I'm just waiting for him to take it on a nice long ride and give me a proper feedback. So yep, Fuel X and clutch, easy clutch, and the likes of it. The whole motorcycle is equipped with 3/4 of what I have on my motorcycle. So yeah, there's the beauty that inspired the whole nation. with the second-hand tank now. So yeah, hopefully this ought not to leak fuel, and hopefully I should have a nice good time with it. Anyways, we'll get back on the trail and then we'll catch up with you guys in a minute.